fielders all the way. That's 2 boundaries in quick succession. Can he make it a triple? He's got it skyward. Is it going to cost him? He's struggling to get into a good rhythm in this stint. Position for the batting side of his outfield. Ball running between the wickets. He's scrambling back to the blocks. Can he make it? The fielding unit has aided in the early breakthrough here. The bails fly up, but the umpire's finger doesn't. He's safe. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. That's locked in for massive 6. What a beauty. Judgment there. That was an unnecessary run. They lose another wicket in quick succession. He's played right into the fielder's hands. Wickets piling up on the other end. Really good effort in the field. Let's hope the batting can stay committed until the late game. There's a massive score to beat. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. Good effort, leaves the ball this time. A lack of control from the bowling, resulting in a wide. give away his wicket here. A change of sides requested by the bowler. He's onto something special here. A hard smack sends the bowler a message. Keep doing that and I'll keep hitting you for 4. What a cracking start. A boundary off his first encounter. To let the batsman get settled. The bowler is swapping to the other side of the wicket. That's absolutely magnificent. Keeping things interesting. It's around the wicket this time. Tries for something new here. A change of sides signaled by the umpire. He's hit it badly. He's hit it high. A deadly kiss goodbye to the bowler's last ball. Farewell by 4. This close contest is coming to an end as the bowler begins the match-deciding over. A leg spinner has come into play. A careless effort from the bowler. It's a wide. Whisked away to the boundary in the last over. Some unbelievable power hitting there. New to the ground? Never mind. Hit a boundary off the first ball. Oh, and fighting dangerously close call for the batsman. The bails have been knocked off by the keeper. The umpire has asked for the third umpire. It's going to be touch and go decision. Brilliantly stumped by the keeper, but the batsman pulls his feet into crease. A cracking shot comes in during the final countdown. He's taken the aerial route. 6 more. Changes to the field as the batsman looks on. Racing over the edge as this cook, he's pulled his team over the boundary line. Completely dominated by the opposition. They could have performed better. Outstanding performance.